Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on managing application in Ubuntu using the apt-get command. In this video, we'll show you how to install, update, upgrade, remove, and auto-remove applications step by step. By the end, you'll understand not only how to run this command, but also when to use them and what their outputs means.
Now, let's start with updating the package list, then command is sudo apt-get update. And this command updates the database and let your system know if there are newer packages available or not. You should run this first after a refresh installation.
So, sunod naman tayo sa upgrade command. This command upgrades all the installed package to their latest version. Dito na ina-apply yung mga updates na nakita kanina sa update command. So, the Y or option means automatic yes. So, hindi ka na tatanungin ng system for confirmation. This is used for regular system updates, especially for fixing bugs and improving security. So after updating the list, this is the command that actually perform the upgrade.
Next, we have the sudo apt-get install. This command downloads and installs the application from Ubuntu's repositories. You use it whenever you want to add new software to your system. For our installation example, we will use the tool called NeoFetch, which displays system information in a neat format. So let's type sudo apt-get install NeoFetch. The terminal shows the packages being downloaded and asks you to confirm with the letter Y. Once complete, NeoFetch is installed and ready to use. To test it, simply type NeoFetch, and your system's details will be displayed in the terminal.
Susunod, pangatlo, meron naman tayong tinatawag na remove application. Now, if you want to remove application, you can use sudo apt remove command. So, this command removes the specific application for the system. However, it does not remove the configuration files. Ibig sabihin, may iwan pang settings in case gusto mo itong i-install ulit in the future. Use this when you no longer need application but might still want to keep its configuration. If you want to completely remove everything including configuration files, you can use sudo apt purge instead. Ano naman pag sinabing auto remove or sudo apt auto remove command? This command removes unused dependencies. These are packages that reinstall automatically but are no longer needed by any application. Sa madaling salita, nililinis nito ang system mula sa unnecessary files. You should use this after installing applications to free up this space and keep your system clean. This helps improve system performance by removing clutter.
At sana nakatulong kami sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang mga Linux command katulad ng update, upgrade, install, auto-remove at remove. Yun lang, maraming salamat.